Today we will be making a lucky cat charm. Please pause the video to see the materials provided. Pliers are not included. You'll need the 3D cat and the big jump ring. Use the pliers to attach the jump ring. Now put that aside and grab your beads. Begin putting them on your head pins in any order you like. Be sure to leave enough space to make our end loop. Once you have your beads, use your pliers to bend the wired end into a loop. Repeat that same process with your other head pin and beads. Next, grab 2 jump rings and use the pliers to attach them to our now completed head pins. Now we begin making our knot. Feel free to pause or slow the video if needed. First, make sure the ends of your rope are equal. This will divide our rope in half. Now we'll make a cross pattern with roughly equal length. Tug and adjust the rope to make your shape. Take a moment to even out the rope ends. All our loops are relatively the same size, and the ends of our rope are equal. Grab your rope ends and put it over your left loop. Be sure to leave this space open. Now grab your left loop and put it over the top loop. Make sure your space is still open. Now grab your top loop and put it over your right loop. Now grab your right loop and pull it through the opening. Once you have all your loops in place, begin to pull and adjust its shape. For the next part, make sure your ends are facing away from you. Grab your left loop and put it over your bottom loop. Grab your bottom loop and put it over your right loop. Grab your right loop and put it over your rope ends. Finally, grab your rope ends and pull it through the opening. When you have all your loops, adjust the shape. Now turn your work around until you see the 4 angles as shown. Pull these 4 angles outward. Congratulations, you have completed your knot. To begin assembling the knot, grab the small head pin and use the pliers to attach it to the knot's left loop. Finally, grab the 2 gold ornate beads. Attach the beads by tying them to the knot. Grab the lobster claw clasp and the jump ring. Use the pliers to attach the jump ring to the claw clasp. Attach the lobster's claw to the knot's top loop. To finish the keychain, gather all completed items. Begin attaching all items to the keychain. Use the lobster claw to attach the knot. With that, you have completed your lucky cat keychain.